What's up, everybody? This is Manny V, and today's surf tips under 60 seconds is about that buzz. You ever put your boards on top of your car and then you hear the buzz as soon as you get on the freeway? Well, here's the secret. It's super easy. You're gonna kick your own butt as soon as you find out how easy it is. So sometimes the straps lay flat. All you gotta do is loosen this up a little bit and add a twist. As soon as you add a twist on both straps, you get a twist in there, buzz gone. So there you have it. This week's surf tips under 60 seconds is kill the buzz. Later.